Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Today we will look at IRCP traded at Nasdaq. It's a very interesting stock because it's showing some signs for possible reversal, and also it has some strong fundamentals. For example, one of the parameters that I like the most is market capacity is a few times smaller than depth minus assets minus depth parameter, meaning like there is still 2-3 times capacity for the stock price, which is very nice. It doesn't mean that the stock price will go up 2-3 times, but it means that there is very strong capacity in the company, and it has much more potentially, let's say, money or financials in case the debt will be called to be paid immediately. There is still 2-3 times market capacity available for the company. Overall, these companies I like the most because they show quite strong behaviors, and let's have a look for this one today. So if we look at the first RSI parameter, we can see it actually after having the minimum price here at 18th of May, RSI just touched the oversold area, and then it started strong trend up, which is nice, meaning that there is still capacity to grow. And indeed, if you look at the trading trends, you also see that there is a nice movement up trend can be seen, which was confirmed once at the beginning of June, and then actually yesterday and today we had another confirmation. Another interesting thing for this stock that it is almost facing a magic cross up, meaning that its moving average 20 is actually piercing from the bottom moving average 50, which also creates additional pressure upwards. And today these coincide with this trend, so it's kind of a double support today. We can see, although stock did not decide itself yet, but it's also forming kind of a flaggy behavior, so seems like it's really willing to really go up. It still might be that there will be some small piercing down through the green trend, and then of course below the level of let's say below that level, it would be a very nice buy opportunity for this stock. Actually, this would be even kind of a stronger buy opportunity. You can call that, if it pierces the moving average 20, it will be like a first buy opportunity, and then this would be a second buy box. Then reversal is expected for this stock actually, and then the good question would be where we can sell it safely. Well, it would be a bit difficult to say because after magic cross up will be formed, actually the discrepancy between moving average 50 and 20 will increase, because moving average 20 will trend up and moving average 50 will either will actually try to catch it, but there will be some gap in between them, and actually any price between them would be good point to sell, so somewhere here in between. The reason why here, because it could coincide also with this continuation of the trend, and then the stock can decide itself, either it will really pierce higher and actually try to reach the levels, well, not completely, but it will be dragged towards moving average 200, or it will actually have some correction further. And also another interesting parameter here that says that this stock is kind of preparing itself for nice movement is the big distance between moving average 200 and the magic cross formed. It's actually almost 100%, so 2 times difference, which is also very good kind of bullish parameter here. And only thing to remember for this stock, it's actually low floater. If you look at the volume traded today, it's quite small. It's 6.5 thousands. This explains these big volatilities you observe, but these are not real volatilities. It's just due to low volume, and low floaters are known that they have these big bounces. So you don't need to be afraid on that, if only it's not really some clear break of the trend. So as I said, two nice buying opportunities here. It's either area 1 or box 2, and then some reversal can be expected. Actually, reversal can be expected even without piercing moving average 20, but then it's more like 50-50 possibility, and I don't like advising those because then selling and actually trading becomes kind of a casino style, which I don't like. And yeah, if it goes to area 1 or 2, nice to watch and nice to buy, in my opinion. And also, if we look the last thing, convergence divergence index, it's on the top, but it's kind of moving this bubble and touching the zero, and zeros are also nice. Doesn't matter if it's zero reaching from the bottom or zero reaching from the top, because zeros on MACD are kind of bouncy, potentially bouncy areas. So it can either pierce down or actually cause the stock go up. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.